I completely forgot there's another thing I wanted to mention about going to Midwest Weavers conferences, but also all conferences and in-person workshops that I think is really cool. Like, I appreciate the fact that a lot of us can move to Zoom these days and teach remotely, but I know that it gets quiet, and when I'm teaching in person, once everybody's got the stitch down and has gotten going, I like to talk about beads and process and all sorts of things. Like, that's when you have the opportunity to ask the instructor, like, glean more knowledge from them that you might not think of in other aspects. When you're at home, you're a little bit distracted working on some stuff and here and there, but when you're in a class with a bunch of students and working together on a project or a stitch, and everybody learns differently and is learning stitches to do different things with it, I learn a lot from my students, and I always hope that my students learn a lot from me, because I do integrate my beadwork in with my weaving and my textiles, and it's been a long process, so hopefully I can get people started in on stuff like that.